your love for life, and today I'm coming to y'all with a follow-up video because I promise you all a follow-up video to the crochet hair that I'm currently wearing in my hair. So if you did not see my previous video, stop this video and go watch the other video, okay? Go watch the other video. Then come back to this video. But anyway, if you are looking at this video, this is a twisted up hair from, what's the Expression? The Passion WaterWave Feed Twist and an 18-inch. So this is not going to be a long video at all. I just want to do a quick follow-up. So I told you all in my previous video that I was going to wear this hair for about 4 or 5 weeks. So this is actually the end of the 4th week that I've had this in my hair. And I wanted to give you all the pros and cons of the hair itself. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's actually staying intact. Now, this is the hair with the little WaterWave loose hair at the ends, which I absolutely love. And you can watch the previous video when I kind of like did an install of it. Now this is very small. I did use 9 packs of hair. So that was a lot. It was a lot of hair. And I didn't know I was going to use 9 packs. So you have to be careful on how you do your braid pattern. So I did have a lot more braids in my hair than I usually do with crochet hair, when I do crochet hairstyles. And the reason why is that because these are so small. Of course, the density diameter of these is so small. So I wanted them to look okay. Now, I absolutely love the hair. I love the hair. I don't have any complaints with the hair whatsoever. I mean, it's not like it was heavy. The 9 packs isn't heavy on my head whatsoever. It's very light. It does, ooh, that light. It does, it has been staying intact. As you can see, the curls are still looking good. Let me try to get a little bit closer for you guys. Can you see that? And I am absolutely sorry that I'm going to have to take these out my hair, which I really was hoping that I didn't have to take them out this soon. But a girl's edges, my edges, ooh, that's really, really, really light. Hold on one second. What's going on with the I don't know what's going on with that light, but anyway, my edges is, after 4 weeks, I did not wash my hair at all with these in here. I thought about it, but then I said, nah, but I have been working out consistently almost every single day, 5-6 times a week, and you know, it's time to take these out because I need to really get in and scrub my hair. It really needs a deep cleaning. So one of the things I wanted to mention is, I'm going to tell y'all something. What saved me from taking these out, because I'm sweating, you getting all that salt build up on your scalp and stuff like that when you're working out. So because I didn't wash my hair like I normally would if I had some crochet hair, I would I usually would put like oil and stuff on my scalp, but this time around I did not do that. So I just wanted to mention to you all what really saved me from the itchy scalp. Now, I had done an initial review on this a while ago, and I said I would come back and do a follow-up. So this is one of the items from Taraji P. Henson, and it's called the Ultra Chill Energizing and Cooling Serum. It is to wake up, calm, and refresh your hair. Now, this stuff right here is infused with, let's see what it is, aloe biotin, tea tree oil, and caffeine. And it has a bunch of other stuff in there. But, y'all, this stuff right here, I'm going to show y'all. If y'all can see that, my camera light is on. It is so bright for whatever reason. I don't know why it's on. Let me see if I can turn this light down. if y'all can see that, I don't know. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's in a yellow bottle. This stuff I put in the crevices of my hair, and I'm telling you, the itch factor was like, probably after I did my whole hair, I would say within like 15-20 minutes, it had like really refreshed and calmed, like it says exactly what it says on the bottle. It had calmed my hair down from itching. And I knew I needed to wash my hair, but I didn't know how these were going to look once I got them wet. And I didn't want them looking all matted and tangly and stuff like that. So I was afraid to do that. So, but it's time to do it. It's time to take these out. But this, I don't care what crochet, braided style, protective style you have. Everybody should have this in their arsenal. This works wonders. I kid you not. I only used it one time, and I'm telling you, it works wonders. So, because my hair was in the protective style, it did have that cooling factor. But not that part to where, you know, it cools your hair down just for a little bit, and then, you know, you have to like go back 3 days later and apply some more. I only used it one time, and I ain't had to apply no more. Now, did I have a little itchiness maybe after a week? Yeah. But not a lot of itchiness. So, anybody with tight braids, I'm telling you, y'all need to get this product right here. Oh, I don't know what to say, but it works great. But as far as the cons of this hair, really, I don't have any cons for this hair at all. I didn't have no problems out of this hair at all. Would I repurchase this hair again? Absolutely. And I may do it in a different color. So I did see another color I like. So I may do it in another color, but that'll be for another video. As far as the ends getting frazzled and dazzled, no. I mean, I had like, this is synthetic hair. So I didn't have any like knots and balled upness or anything like that. So typically at night, what I would do is I have my hair up behind the ponytail. And then the hair itself, I would take this and put another ponytail holder around this part. And then I will put on my, I have a large bonnet. So I will put my large bonnet on, tie my hair down. Now right now, I haven't been tying my hair down for the past 3 days because I knew I was getting ready to take these things out my head. But typically you'll just tie your hair down, pull this back, and put the bonnet on, and it stays out of your hair. I didn't get it wet in the shower. All I would really do is just put a shower cap. Get a large shower cap. Put it in your hair to protect it from getting wet. And pretty much that's all I did. For the most part, I didn't wear this hair down because it has been hot here. So I pretty much kept this hair up in a ponytail. And I've loved it so far. That was really my main goal, was to keep it up. Keep everything off my neck. So I will be doing another video. Let's see what I'll be doing next. You guys got to stay tuned for that. So click that notification bell so you'll know what I'm going to do next. But other than that, that's it, y'all. I told you this video was not going to be long. What time do I have on here? Yeah. I told you this video was not going to be long. I just wanted to come in here and give y'all a follow-up. If you ever thought about purchasing this hair crochet, like I said, this is an 18-inch crochet. So it is long. And this is long, a lot longer than what I usually purchase in crochet hair. I'm usually doing like 12 and 14 inches. But this is an 18-inch. And I feel like it was great. It was okay for me. Like I said, it's hot. I don't want a lot of things on my neck. But like I said, I wore it the whole time up. Just because I was working out and stuff. And I don't want nothing laying on my neck. But with that being said, that's it for today, you guys. Hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and catch me in my next video. God bless and stay safe.